Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply for a visitor visa to Brazil. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service and nothing else. Alright guys. So guys, when it comes to international tourism, we know that Brazil is a very popular destination. Sunshine, beaches and a lot of fun. So first of all, let's see what are the things they have. So I have opened this official Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. Okay. So Brazil follows like reciprocity for visas. So maybe you don't even need a visa to apply. So what you need to do is like you can click on where to apply for the visa. And once you determine, let me open this link. I think it will open the same page. Yeah. Do you need a visa? You can click on this link. I'll translate it into English. We have English option there also, but Google works faster, so that's why I go. So they have a PDF, perhaps. Yeah. Entry visa to work Brazil. So you can check it, verify. Okay. Based on your country, they have like this defined the number system, like what you need, what you don't. Okay. So let's say if you are from India, okay. Example. So for visit visa is number one. Okay. So what do we have? Number one visa required. Maximum stay of 90 days, every 180 days. Okay, fine. So the same like in the page here, we have this where to apply for visa. So if you go for consular, you have for India, you have two options, Mumbai, Delhi. So I opened Mumbai. You can open Delhi also. So there you can see, then I clicked on visitor visa. I came here. So first they have shown what are the activities required, how long you can stay, required documents. They have said go to the general requirement section of the website. I'll go over there. And they have specified the documents you need. Okay. All right. So this is the main page of required documents. All right. So you need to fill up online form and upload all the necessary documents. You need to pay the fee. And these documents must be presented by applicant agent at the consulate in addition to RER. And they may request additional information, of course, documents that you need. Online application form, passport copies, passport original and copy, proof of financial capabilities, past 3 months IT or paycheck slip, passport style photo, flight tickets, payment of applicable consular fee, personal cover letter, hotel reservation or similar document where you're gonna stay. For minor visa authorization form. So these are the same thing that we see every time. All documents must be uploaded in this. Documents that are not uploaded, they may be disregarded. But at the same time, they may ask you for additional documents. So make sure you provide the documents as per the requirement so that you don't get into any shortfall. Now coming to the fee and method of payment, let's see. Okay. Visa fee, okay, its link is here. Bank transfer or deposit to, okay. Your name must show up in consulate bank account, okay. Fine. Visa fee 8,000 INR. Of course, it's gonna vary based on your location, so you can find out based on number of person and other things how it works. All right, now let's go to the most important thing, the visa application form. Do I have English option here? Yes. Yeah, this works faster. Google works faster. Oh, so I click on foreigns. Okay. So I have visa, check status, update visa request form, print form, delivery receipt. Okay. So I click on visa. You can upload digital copy of your photo signature the documents. Okay. The completion of the application form is the first step. After submit your application, a receipt is generated. The receipt must be printed and signed by the applicant, and the original documentation must be present to the Brazilian consulate. Okay, within 180 days. So it's not that it's gonna stay forever. To start a new visa application, click on Start New Visa Application button at the bottom of this page. Okay, and this can be done only online. Okay, you have all the documents in need. Some fields are mandatory, photo mandatory, of course. Print and sign the receipt. Okay, and they have given more requirements about photo receipt. So you can read through it carefully. I don't have to read it because this is sample application. So before I go, I must go for it. Can I reset it? Yeah, maybe. It's still some complicated. Let's see if I can pass this. Uh, okay, perfect. Now, identification general data. So I'm going to put some sample again. I will not submit it. Make it camel casing, the standard I follow. If you don't have family name, you can check this. Birth date. You need to put as per your case, not what I am putting. Okay. Do you hold some questions are confusing. Let's see what I can do. Nationality. Do you hold Brazilian nationality? If I select yes, if I select no, then India. Yeah. Now it makes sense. Parents, mother data. I'm clicking on not informed, but if you are aware, provide that information. Of course, like just to get through this quickly. And you can always return to initial page and make the changes. Uh, Purpose of the trip. Oh, tourism is here. Thank God. I thought I would have to learn. Estimate date of arrival. I'll give it. Okay. Planned stay. How long? 1 month is okay. Have you ever been to Brazil? Okay. So at the means no. Maybe translation. Exhibition. How will the exhibition also be made? Would it be made mail or courier by third party in person? Okay. Next. Travel document. Type of travel document. Diplomatic emergency foreigner passport. Number. profession or occupation. Uh, I'm gonna put some such details. Contacts, type of mean of contact, cell phone, permanent address, place, India, Delhi. Always put as per your case. Don't do this sample video on it. Yes. Other address, contact in Brazil, not informed. Next. Photograph files, type of scanned out. So first page we have gone through that, and we have also seen um, the required documents, so that you are gonna upload. Okay. After this, photograph signature and scan documents. Oh, so whatever is applicable as per your case, that you're gonna apply, and then you're gonna click on complete application. I'm not gonna do because you know the purpose, right? So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope you like it. Thank you.